How to recover deleted post on Instagram. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video, and on today's video we will learn how we can recover deleted post on Instagram. So without further delay, let's get started. First of all, launch the Instagram application in your mobile device and make sure that you are logged into your account. So in case if you have deleted one of your posts, here's how you can recover it. Tap on your profile icon at the bottom right from your home page. After that, head towards the top right and tap on three-line icon. Under your settings and activity page, you have to scroll down and tap on your activity. Once you're here, scroll down and there is an option as recently deleted. Tap on it. And here you will find your post that you have deleted recently. And after the number of days it is shown right here, your post will be deleted permanently. After that, you won't be able to recover it. But if you have deleted your post recently, then you can recover it. For that, tap on the post, tap on the three dot, and then tap on restore. And then again tap on restore. And with that, now your post will be restored in your profile. And that's the way to recover deleted post on Instagram. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.